afternoon po, SMM Store Discussion, Branch RP Pangasinan. Attendees, Judy Ann, Marie Chris, Pamela, and Romar. Day off is Christian po. Sa warehouse po, store delivery schedule namin is every Wednesday. Sa warehouse request inventory, meron po tayong Kate CBC Maroon, size 10 and 12, quantity 0. CBC Men's Fuchsia XS, quantity 1. TIT Dry Fit Apple Green, size is XS and quantity is 0. Sa item for allocation naman po is wala. Slow moving po is wala din po. Sa design update and new item po is PQ Color Men's. Yung product, the material is honeycomb. Color po is cream, peach, mint green, brown, and sage green. Sa website naman po, sa new pages, sa TIT giveaway bundles, new update for Subway Central is billiard collection. Page modification is wala po. Sa RM naman po, save reply, yung topic is comparison, planner 2026 collection. Changes, may mga motivational posts na nadagdag, and sa mga hotline numbers, meron din for emergency. Exclusive planner, meron itong 20 na color. Also, yung Philippine map, meron din yung texture niya, describe din, and yung mga iba pang features inside. Audit result for rating is good. Sa OLM, new approved marketing sa SP po is item, jersey set with DTF, promo, free mock-up, and 130 per meter no minimum order. Sa PYD po is bundle set, laser engrave. Sa TIT naman po is t-shirt full sublimation, promo, price down from 350 to 299, minimum of 10, valid until October 15 lang siya. Sa AdSense promo, sa promo po is Christmas ads, buy 5 get 1 free. Sa tricycle po, meron po kaming active na 20, 4 po yung for installation. Streamer active is 7, wala pong for installation. Sticker, 15 po yung active, wala pong for installation. Sa curtain ads is, meron po kaming 9 na active, wala din pong for installation. Sa treasury naman po, cost of refund, customer item, cap with stitch at the middle, di kayang i-embro. Nalitan sa size ng embro na minak-up ni customer, kaya nag-cancel. Wrong placing of logo. Yung complaint due to is damaged plain shirt na nabigay. Embro logo sa sample. Okay yung actual na dikit-dikit na yung text. Hindi natanggal yung back paper ng transfer paper. To avoid this, we have to be careful sa pag-tick ng orders, also sa details and instructions ni customer to avoid damages. I learned that before we give the item, i-double check natin yung item ng maigi. If may mga factory damage ba or human error. Sa visual categorization, wala po. Sa HR po, date August 10, 2025, topic quiz bugs. Deadline is August 14, passing score is 30. Thoughts of the day sa leadership po, managing people. Mabuting malaman natin yung purpose ng bawat isa. Being a manager, we have to know also their strengths and weaknesses of our co-workers. Huwag lang puro utos, gawa, giving instruction or task. We have to listen and know their purpose to give them also time to improve, growth, and expand their knowledge in different ways. I as a manager, I have to see my staff in different ways, consider their strengths and weaknesses. We are team so for better, smooth and happy work, consideration to each other, and be open at all times. Yun lang po, thank you po.